Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to solve some sums based on the formula small friend subtraction of 1. So what is the formula? Formula is -1 is equals to -5 plus 4. So before practicing the worksheets, make sure child has memorized all the formulas. Ask your child every day or in alternative days the formulas, also and ask them who is the big friend of which number and who is the small friend of which number. If the child, once the child is well memorized the formulas, they can quickly solve the sums. So let's get start this today's video. First question, 7 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 4. Next question, 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 4. Next question, 5 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 plus 5, answer is 9. Next question, 9 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 4. Next question, 79 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 74. Next question, 55 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 4, answer is 50. Next question, 20 plus 5 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 24. Next question, 52 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 54. Next question, 48 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 44. Next question, 63 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 64. Next question, 78 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 74. Next question, 49 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 44. Next question, 95 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 3, answer is 91. Next question, 73 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 74. Last question, 39 minus 14 minus 1 minus 5 plus 4, answer is 24. Here we have solved all the sums. You can also practice these worksheets along with this video and do practice it and let me know how you are doing. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Keep practicing and keep learning Abacus with me, and thank you so much for watching.